guys. So I'm gonna start vlogging more often and bringing you guys along the journey of my fitness journey and my health journey for like how I eat and stuff like that. So I'm starting my fitness journey. Well, I already started my fitness journey, but I'm gonna start it to take it more seriously. But as far as health, for breakfast we're going to Eggs Grits Kitchen. I'm gonna bring you guys along, but it's not really gonna be the healthiest today on Sunday, so I'm really gonna start the next day. I'm gonna do a pretty good before and after picture of my body, like so you can see the areas that I want to work on. But this is today's gym fit. Got this necklace for Christmas for my little sister. My goals as far as fitness is I want to be more toned. I currently weigh like 170. I fluctuate between 176 pounds and 178 pounds, and I'm like 5'6" on a good day. It depends on my posture, but I'm really like 5'6". So I want to get down to like maybe 15 pounds down or 20 pounds down and keep it off at that time. Like keep it off like for sure. But I don't want to necessarily lose my form. I still want to have a form. I want to basically kind of like cut up, like chip up the form that I have to where it's more toned and defined, like the muscles that I have. So this year, well, last year when I was working out and stuff like that, I was really doing like, you know, target workouts for like glutes, legs, upper body, but it wasn't like specific muscles that I target so that everything looks defined all around. So that's something that I'm going to be doing this year that's going to be different compared to how I was going into last year. Last year my fitness results were, you know, they were good and stuff like that, but I feel like I kind of I hit like a flat line and I stayed the same weight and I had the same body and I didn't really get better, if that makes sense. I lost like maybe a couple of muscle tone and stuff like that from me being sick last week, but we're gonna get that all back this year. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I'm gonna show you guys some of the workouts that I'm gonna be doing, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the meals that I'm eating as far as replacements for carbs, because I love carbs. Like, oh my goodness. Don't get me wrong, I'm about to eat me some carbs still, but I'm just not gonna eat carbs all the time. I'm about to have a carb fest today before the carb struggle starts. Bro, this is so good.
I'm gonna try to go to the restaurant one more time. Hopefully ain't nobody.
Now, granted, I just did eat. So, let's see. That's weird. It's usually like 156, 150, I mean 176, 178, but about to get this started. I'm gonna start with the stairs today. I think I'm gonna do like 10 minutes to kind of warm up. So as part of this journey, I've been trying to do more cardio, probably just as much cardio as lifting, so that I can get some more shedding of like fat and stuff like that and see more definition of the muscle. Just the look of a warrior. We're about to do some abs. So my goal this year is to not use the waist trainer as much and try to develop an hourglass figure without having to use the waist trainer and just targeting certain parts of my core and developing a stronger core. In return, giving me better posture. How hard it is to go out to eat and still go to the gym. I don't know, every time I eat a really good meal, the evil in me just says lay down, watch a movie, just don't do anything afterwards, just do nothing. I'm gonna try to get out that habit this year. Every time I eat good, I need to be more disciplined in working out and really going to the gym and being consistent and burning a lot. Let me see how much I burn. So today is still going. 330 active calories, 407 total for this workout. So let me stop it. All right, you guys, so we're at Sprouts. I want to make my cousins like squash spaghetti. If you guys know, Haitians, the New Year in America is really the Haitian Independence Day, and what we usually do is we make squash soup, but for some reason, please do not come at me, I do not like the squash soup, so I'm gonna celebrate in my own way of having squash spaghetti. So it is so creative. It's so creative how she made the spaghetti. So she puts it in the oven and she sautés it with oil. She lets it bake for like 20 minutes, and then she kind of strings it like spaghetti, and then you mix it with the meat, whatever meat choice that you like. I'm gonna make some onions with it. I want to get these right here. I like this. It's like, it makes me feel like I have my own garden in my house. So I'm gonna get the Italian parsley. Do they have the basil? What's this basil? It's mint. Thyme. I'm looking for the basil. Where the basil at? Couldn't find the basil, but I'm gonna get some peppers. I'm just gonna have to use the regular schmegular basil. Y'all, this garlic. Oh, they got the basil one. No, I'm fine. Thank you, though. This garlic one is what works wonders. I'm about to get the basil one too. Got ginger. Got enough ginger. I'm trying to consume more vegetables and protein. I don't know. I'm kind of staying clear of the powder protein as much and consuming lean protein more. I'm still gonna take my collagen powder because, you know, but I don't know, I just feel like it feels better like when I have the regular schmegular real deal protein, and yeah, it just feels better. You guys, I'm gonna make some cauliflower, some roasted cauliflower from the air fryer with some garlic butter seasoning. It's a vibe. I found it out at this restaurant, like the recipe. I love going to restaurants because like I like to try what they have and try to kind of recreate it at home. You're a real foodie. That's what you do, and that's why you go to restaurants. So I'm gonna put you guys on this roasted cauliflower garlic buttery yumminess later on this week. As far as protein, I already have ground turkey that I'm gonna be using, but it's some cage-free egg whites. It's okay if you use regular eggs and stuff like that, but I'm trying to stay away from cholesterol as much because last time I went to the doctor, she was like, your cholesterol is higher. Oh my gosh, it's an empty cart. Yeah! She said my cholesterol is higher. It wasn't like out of whack, like, girl, you need to change up your whole life out of whack, but she was like, it was higher than last year, and whatever I'm doing, I need to stop doing it and do better. Honestly, how it felt when she was talking to me.
when she was like, you need to come back in like 2 months so we could check your blood again, I was just like, whoa, I'm only 26 out here, like I gotta come back to get more blood work. But you know, a lot of stuff runs in my family, diabetes, high blood pressure, but I feel like that's a lot of Black families. We're gonna make some salmon. Ooh, should I get the pre-made salmon? No. We're gonna make some salmon with the broccoli. Get some bread for the eggs. Get a bagel. I feel like the bagels are quicker. If you know, you know. Wait, no. Hold on. Yeah, you know. Hey, handsome boy. How you doing? Say hi, Bubs. Say, me and Mommy are gonna get fit this year. I gotta lose 10 pounds, and so does she, at least. When I took Spooky to the vet, they said that he gained like 10 pounds since last year, and we had to put him on diet food, and we had to walk him more, but I haven't really been walking him that much. I need to do better in that department. Maybe that can be my cardio. So he alternates between this one and the lamb and sweet potato one. Usually don't like him eating grains, but for the sake of getting right, we got some rice. I was like, it's hard for me to not eat cookies because we have cookies in the house. She was just like, just don't have it in the house. I was just like, but I live with a cookie monster. She busted out laughing. About to do Chloe Tang. No, I don't think I'm gonna stretch.
I'm gonna stretch.
Hold on.
Stretch with me. Goodness gracious. I'll do, it's gonna take no more than a minute to stretch. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
Gotta go stretch.
Go stretch.
What are we gonna do?
Left leg first. Come on. 10 seconds. 1,
The way that
2.
the way you did it.
You gotta throw it up there so you can catch it. Legs together. Touch your toes.
Bend over to the front. Touch. Get low, get low.
6, 8, 9, 10. Now touch the left leg with your right hand. With your right hand. Yes. Arms.
Squeak, 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 squeak.
You ready? Damn! Put the cheese on it. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh my goodness, I thought I scratched my new Crocs. Hey friends! So, I have to give you guys an update about what happened with my loctician and my hair. I'm gonna put my stuff down. Okay, so basically, I reached out to my loctician again because I was just like, it's January 3rd and I haven't heard from her yet. I'm just gonna give her the holiday. And her assistant got back to me and she said that she won't be able to do my hair until I don't even know why I'm smiling about this, but until January 21st. I am definitely due for a wash. And you know what's crazy about this whole entire process of me going like way past my due date for my retie? People have been saying it looks better. Like, well, strangers, they said that it looks good and it looks like it's my hair, like my natural hair without the dreads, because it's kind of grown out and stuff like that. But I appreciate it. Listen, that's the difference between the Sisterlocks and the traditional locks. When you need a retie with traditional locks and they're thicker and bigger, it's just like, you need to do something, sis or bruh. But for Sisterlocks, it's not as like noticeable, where, you know, because they're like, the strands are smaller for the locks. Not the strands. The locks are smaller, so they resemble hair strands more. But yeah, I went ahead and scheduled for January 21st. I'm supposed to wash my hair this weekend. I didn't tell you guys, but Sunday, I did lose a lock. It was a healthy lock too, a really good healthy one. And I'm kind of scared when it comes to washing my hair, so I feel like I'm gonna do like a really less manipulative wash when I'm doing it this time. Like, it's gonna be very, very low manipulative. I'm gonna separate my locks so they don't get snagged together. I'm gonna massage my scalp. Like, I'm just playing. I'm gonna wash it. It's going to be clean, but I had to be a little bit more strategic because I have a lot of new growth and I don't want anything to like snag off. I've been grasping my edges right here, and putting them into one, so hopefully she can make a lot more new locks for when I get my hair retied. But I'm so excited to get my hair retied, even though it's not going to be another 2 weeks. But the fact that I have something in the books, I have the confirmation email, I have the confirmation text, makes me feel good. And I feel like my next step really is for me to get that Sisterlock retightening class underneath my belt by the next 6 months. Within the next 6 months, I'm going to put that on my vision board. Within the next 6 months, I want to learn how to retighten my own locks, and I want to at least attempt to do it one time. And then I want to do it for good after I get better. Leg day. You don't look real.
She should make it like different.
It's not quite it.
don't feel the vibes as much as I did when I first came here. Hyping up! Day 4 at the gym. I'm gonna stretch. I'm gonna stretch. Well guys, that concludes this week's vlog of updates in my fitness beginning journey. If you guys like this vlog video and you guys are looking forward or you guys are interested in seeing more videos, give this video a thumbs up and comment if you have anything to say. I'm welcome to any type of like comments. If you guys have any, you know, pointers or tips when it comes to working out, I'm open for that. Some good food replacements, especially for carbs, I'm open to that. But yeah, that concludes this video and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.